with Dr. Anand Bhardwaj, the world's highest qualified Vastu consultant with over 39 years experience in scientific, technical and authentic Vastu Shastra. I welcome all the viewers to the new professional and complete series on Scientific Vastu program. Friends, as I have told you that if you need to ponder upon any Vastu factor, just type the Vastu factor along with Dr. Bhardwaj's name and click on search, and instantly you will get the real, accurate, scientific and authentic knowledge on the topic in a very short span of time. He has been to many countries worldwide for giving his expert advice on commercial and residential Vastu. It is very easy for any Vastu consultant to advise on making a building on a new plot as per Vastu bylaws. But what about the already built up houses and commercial complexes? Most of the Vastu consultants advise demolition, but Dr. Bhardwaj never does that because he also deals in Vastu corrections without demolition, which is very effective. Today we will take up another topic. Today's topic is manure. So we are seeing that in this huge farmhouse, a lot of manure has been kept on a large number of places. So is it for use or is there any Vastu purpose for this manure?
Okay, thank you. Before defining any positivity or negativity or any Vastu value of this manure, you are looking at this manure, I would like to explain the definition of Vastu Shastra. Vastu is nothing but living in harmony with nature. So anything which is nature friendly, whatever is not artificial, so that is all such things are positive as per Vastu Shastra. This manure is organic and there is no chemical in this manure. So if this type of manure is used inside the farmhouse, inside the lawn, everywhere, the possibility of negativity is very less. Rather, this improves the positivity. The negativity is never going to come inside the house, inside the premises, if there is this such kind of cow dung manure or farmyard manure is used. But in case of, as you are listening about the chemicals, the people are using chemicals, so many chemicals, herbicides are there, weedicides are there, pesticides are there. They are very much harmful for human being, and they are the factor that are responsible for making any site negative. If the house is negative, if the site is premises, certainly the people who are residing inside the premises are negative. So we try to explain Vastu in such a way that try to become Vastu friendly, become nature friendly. The more you go near the nature, the more you get the comfort. So this is very much closely concerned with Vastu factor. In Vastu Shastra, we strongly recommend all the natural things, and we try to recommend the balancing of environment. The water should not be polluted. There should be no pollution, and we should try to harvest water as much as possible. So this is also a symbol of living in harmony with nature, and that is the definition of Vastu Shastra.